of earth and sky.
And we wait
with bated breath
for Mother Nature's call
to tell us she is ready
to let humans back in.
Bag of Snap, Morning News, Our Lass and a Now Then Sam.
Dreaming of the ancestors.
It's not like I had it bad. It's not like I lost someone dear to me forever. But I miss you still.
Let's just be still for a minute. A whole world rests in a palm with a hand to hold.
And men knew how to waltz.
You're never alone, you're never alone, you're never alone, you're never alone, you're never alone.
Ghosts of brimstone.
More inferno than candlelight.
Tell me how you feel so I can forget how I feel.
Made burnt offerings of iron ore upon the altars of fiery white heat in the temples of steel.
Why do I love it? That's simple, it's my home. Could be better, but it's how we grow.
Words can last 100 lifetimes, long after the writer's gone.
Part of the never-ending tick-tock start-stop.
I walk through the streets and feel the life. I walk through the streets and feel the strife. I walk through the streets and feel the love.
Unplugged but connected.
I'm ready to follow my own direction.
A scribble of hair and a screwed up scowl.
A gloss of gravitas amidst the arches.
Together is like apple and crumble with custard, shining like gold.
And swear it here, on beautiful sky.
Roses in a glorious chorus,